August feeders down $4.25 at 170.22. What the heck, Oliver? How's that working?
Well, it goes back to kind of what we were talking about in the grain section. Is the sell first, ask questions later environment, and basically nothing is going to make its way out of that environment with the pressure that we're seeing in the equity markets. Live cattle is one that's probably a little bit more correlated to what's going on in the outside markets. You've got consumer demand destruction happening a little bit, and that potentially has a bigger catalyst on the beef side of things. So you're seeing live cattle pull back sharply. Ultimately, I think we can probably build out a little bit of a base. We may have come too far too fast this morning, but hopefully these outside markets can stabilize, and that would be the catalyst to see some of these other livestock markets stabilize as well.
Now, if we look at the lean hog trade, you have the June futures 20 cents higher, but I don't think there's hardly any trading taking place in the June. It's mainly in July and August, and July is down $1.30. We're at 104.17, and August is now down $1.47. Interestingly here, Oliver, I see we're on the lean hogs. The most pressure is on the most deferred contracts. You go to October and December, that's where you really see the heat out there, or the pressure. December down over $2. What does that tell you?
Well, it's not the greatest sign. The volume is relatively light out to December, only 800 some odd contracts traded. We're keeping a lot of our clients trading in the July and August, which is a little bit more liquid. We're testing some big support levels that we kind of the last must-hold line in the sand areas for our lean hogs. There's a gap down there in July. From May 19th comes in near 101, 101.5. That's the last line in the sand. So I wouldn't be surprised to see maybe a little bit more pressure come in. But again, a lot of this is going to be hinging on what the outside markets do ahead and after that Fed meeting this week.
Oh, yeah. All right. All eyes on that to see what they're going to do with the interest rates later on in a few days. Well, Oliver, thanks for talking with us. Appreciate it. Thanks for the expertise. Oliver Sloup of Blue Line Futures. He is located in Chicago.